Welcome back to Investing with Ian. Now, by today's show, I was fully hoping for the Bitcoin market, the Bitcoin price to be in the $70,000 range, but we're not quite there yet. We've had a little bit of a pullback. We got some, a few FUD articles, fear, uncertainty, and doubt, to go over, and we'll go over the current state of the market. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for tuning back in, guys. Smash out the likes if you like this type of content, all about cryptocurrencies. That's what we specialize in. And let's jump right in. The current market cap was at right around $3 trillion, but like I said, we've taken a little bit of a pullback. We're at 2.8 trillion, so I mean we're basically still right up there at all-time highs. I mean everything is just about ready to take off to the moon, as they say. Let's take a look at Bitcoin's price. Let's see. Let me zoom into the 4-hour chart. We hit a new all-time high today, $69,000. So, that's great to see that. We're making money, day by day. Congratulations to everybody who's bought up until now. You're pretty much in profit. And so yeah, we were up here, at 69,000, and then we took a dip because there is a little bit of a FUD article about a Chinese real estate developer that we will touch on in just a minute. So, I mean, but Bitcoin's still doing good. I mean, we're by no means, this bull run is not over. We're, we're approaching the middle of November. I still fully expect for this to hit, $80,000 or $90,000 by the end of this month. Taking a look at the Ethereum chart, look at this stair-stepping pattern. I mean, we're still steadily climbing up the ranks. Ethereum also hit a new all-time high of just under 4,900, so we're almost at that $5,000 level. This is also supposed to hit, I want to say like $9,000 or $10,000 by the end of this bull run. This is not financial advice, by the way. This is just my opinion, and based on all of my research that I've done on, which is a lot of it on Twitter and YouTube. So yeah, not financial advice. It's just one dude talking about crypto on the internet. Here's a chart that I haven't showed you before. This is top assets by market cap, and this just kind of like jumbles everything together. Like you got gold and your top companies in the world, and then you also have cryptos, Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin is currently, it's the market cap of Bitcoin is just under that of silver. So, as Bitcoin keeps on climbing up and up and up, we fully expect it to overtake the market cap of all of the silver combined in the world. So, Bitcoin started from nothing just over 10 years ago, and now look where it's at now. I mean, it's more valuable than Tesla, more valuable than Meta or Facebook. Even Ethereum is more valuable. The total of all Ethereum is more valuable than all of your big banks. Chase Bank, more valuable than Visa. Where is it? Bank of America is way down here. MasterCard. It's, this is the biggest transfer of wealth in human history, and I fully expect for this trend to continue. So for any of you that haven't invested in Bitcoin or Ethereum or any of your favorite cryptos, I highly recommend you do that. And speaking of gold and market caps, this asset manager, Jefferies Group, has sold its gold for Bitcoin. So I mean, we've been saying this, I know I've said it at least once or twice. Gold is no longer a long-term safe haven asset. In the past 10 years, it hasn't gone up at all. It's basically flat or like negative 1%. So just like the article says, these companies like this are selling their gold for Bitcoin. I mean, that's self-explanatory. I mean, I used to want to own gold, and now I really don't care to, because Bitcoin is superior to it in virtually every way. I mean, it's more portable. You can carry it anywhere with you. I mean, you can just stick it on your phone and take it wherever you want, and the adoption is going up day by day. I mean, I'm sure online vendors are accepting it, and we just see articles of like new stores accepting it almost on a daily basis. So yeah, this doesn't surprise me to see this, but I mean, it is surprising that this asset manager manages almost $500 billion of of wealth. So the fact that they're selling it, it says a lot, and definitely something for you to make note of. And then now we have to talk about everybody's favorite 9-letter word, inflation. U.S. consumer prices jumped 6.2% in October, the biggest inflation surge in more than 30 years. So, since this is the biggest hike since I was a small child. And let's see. So what does this mean? I mean, everything is going up. I mean, the article says it right here. Energy, shelter, vehicle costs are leading the gains, which wipes out the wage increases that workers receive for the month. So, I mean, a lot of us aren't getting raises at our jobs or at our employment, and the purchasing power of all of our money is going down thanks to this lovely inflation. So the only way out of this is to invest in something that has a hard cap supply, that's digitally scarce, that nobody can confiscate it, nobody can take it away from you, and that is Bitcoin and crypto. I don't want to read too much of this, but oil prices soared 12.3%, part of a 59.1% increase over the past year. So I mean, like, your fuel costs, your gasoline, and homes that use gas for heating and stuff like that, all of that has gone up dramatically. I'm sure you've seen it at the grocery store. It's literally everywhere. You cannot get away from this, unfortunately. And the best way to protect your wealth, again, is with Bitcoin. And then I just wanted to cover this article. The largest real estate developer in China, which is called Evergrande, they're saying that some people were saying that it did default on its debt, but now they're saying that they did pay their debts. So the reason why we're bringing this up is because if and when this company does go under or file for bankruptcy or default on its debts, they're saying that this could be the Lehman Brothers moment of Asia. And we all know that when Lehman Brothers collapsed back in 2008, that started the big domino effect that started the whole recession and the global, what do they call it, the GFC, the global financial crisis. So we're going to be paying attention to this and see if they do in fact default. And then that was why this Bitcoin dipped down to 63,000. People get scared and they want to take their money out, but just hold on for the long term. Don't let stuff like this freak you out, or don't let this ruin your chances of building wealth in Bitcoin, because I fully expect that anybody who invests in it will, you'll amass a lot of wealth. Just dollar cost average, like I keep saying, right now, buy the dip. The price went down from its all-time high, so it's a good time to buy. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. I've said it in past videos, and I will continue to say it because I think it's sound advice, not investment advice, just sound advice. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Here's the lovely Doge rocket. We're still going full speed ahead. I fully expect that we're going to continue to break all-time highs throughout this month and throughout next month of December. And 2022 looks good so far. We might, again, we don't know how high this is going to top out at. Some people are saying $150,000 per Bitcoin. Some people are saying 200,000 up to 288,000. I mean, it's just the amount of gains and the amount of money to be made is astronomical, and it's a great time to be in crypto. So I will keep you up to date with the price action, and I'm excited to see where this goes. So I think that's going to be it for this video. Thanks again for watching, guys. This is Investing with Ian, and I will see you next time.